When Shiba Inu will reach 10 cents, we asked Elon Musk's AI Grok, and I promise you'll be shocked by the response. You must watch this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shib tokens. What is the most recent information on Shiba Inu and cryptocurrency? And what is the price that Elon Musk's AI has forecast for Shiba Inu? I will be responding to these questions in today's video, so please watch the full thing. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. However, let's first examine the chart to see how the price of Shiba is moving on February 21st before moving on to our issue. Today, a Shiba Inu costs around 1531 units. The price of Shib has decreased by 1% during the last day, and $225 million has been traded in the previous 24 hours. With a market valuation of more than $9 billion, the token is now the 19th highest valued cryptocurrency. As you view this video, please be aware that these prices may have changed. Financial advice is not what this material is. You may earn free cryptocurrency by registering with Bitunix using my link in the description if you wish to trade Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency, even with leverage. Everyone is welcome to participate in the exchanges, so be sure to do so. Let's now discuss FTX fund distribution, the first subject covered in today's video. A fresh surge for the cryptocurrency market. This week, FTX starts paying out, and experts say the move may spur a market recovery. The price of Bitcoin, the biggest digital asset by market capitalization, is still below $100,000. The FTX distribution, however, begins this week. Because the exchange's reserves are now accessible to creditors, analysts anticipate that this action will have a favorable effect on the market. Fund distribution to creditors started by FTX. On February 18, the bankrupt crypto exchange, or FTX, will start distributing its first round of funds to creditors, with a particular emphasis on individuals with claims under $50,000. In light of FTX's collapse in November 2022, this is a critical milestone in the continuing attempts to reimburse institutional and retail creditors. FTX plans to pay back around $1.2 billion to qualified creditors as part of its Chapter 11 restructuring plan, out of $16 billion in claims. Phases of the distribution will occur, with smaller claims receiving priority at first. FTX has found $345 million in claims under $50,000 that are not KYC. It is said that payments are issued to creditors within 1 to 3 business days after they have finished the pre-distribution procedures. Important partners. The procedure will be aided by BitGo and Kraken. FTX has $16 billion to pay back creditors over time, and this distribution is a crucial step in that process. Potential effects on the market. The Bitcoin market is anticipated to be greatly impacted by the impending distribution. According to analysts, the $16 billion dividend would significantly increase market liquidity, which might stimulate trading and investment activity. This increase in money might boost investor confidence and support a bull market for cryptocurrencies, particularly in the first part of 2025. The distribution, on the other hand, is seen favorably by analyst Miles Deutscher, who thinks it would restore liquidity and promote reinvestment in the market. Some researchers warn that a huge dumping event might result from the collision. The distribution will establish a standard for future cryptocurrency reimbursements and evaluate FTX's capacity to handle repayments. Why are Dogecoin and SEC able to raise Shib? 34% in 2025, there was a significant change in U.S. policy that benefited the cryptocurrency industry. The asset class is expected to reach even higher levels as a result. Dogecoin and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission have the potential to drive Shiba Inu up more than 340%, making it one token that might see unexpected gains. At the moment, the meme coin's market value is getting close to $10 billion. It also has one of the most fervent communities in the business. As the asset class is likely to grow due to current regulatory developments, Shib has emerged as a token that may see an unexpected increase in value. Dogecoin and SEC may help Shiba Inu as the cryptocurrency ecosystem changes. This year, there will be a significant shift in the regulatory environment governing the cryptocurrency industry. Shiba Inu aren't directly involved, but they could benefit from it. More capable of exploiting it than the Shib army, Shiba Inu may experience a 3 to 40% increase in Shib due to the SEC and Dogecoin. The former in particular could be headed toward being the first meme currency to have its own exchange-traded fund, ETF. Fortunately for the meme currency, the government recognized Grayscale's latest submission. Just the speculation has helped Shib. CoinMarketCap reported that the coin has increased by over 9% that week as of Friday. Furthermore, that stopped the token's continuous decline of 24% during the preceding 30 days. But with 1680 units, it was more than 70% more than it was in February 2024. For the meme currency industry, the SEC's clearance of the Dogecoin ETF might have a significant impact. That would only help a Shib coin, whose value was predicted to rise this year. According to cryptocurrency price forecasting website CoinCodex, Shiba Inu might increase by up to 123% this month. In August of this year, it predicts that the token would rise 340%, despite its expectation that the asset will remain unchanged. The price would specifically hit an annual high of 7470 units. It is reasonable to assume that an ETF approval and a positive SEC ruling might expedite that determination. At the start of the year, the token should be well on its way to fulfilling its promise. All right, let us now discuss the primary topic of today's video. What is the pricing that Elon Musk has set for Shiba Inu? Just to refresh everyone's memory, I asked Grok, what is Grok? As an AI created by XAI, my name is Grok. I am made to answer a variety of inquiries in a useful and honest manner, often providing an outside viewpoint on people. My objective is to be as helpful as possible in helping customers comprehend the world and do a variety of activities. I can provide insights, evaluate data, and even create visuals if necessary. That being said, I am not able to run code or communicate verbally. I try to be as helpful as possible while being impartial, particularly on contentious subjects, by impartially giving several viewpoints. I'll now inquire how much a Shiba Inu now costs. At the moment, Shiba Inu cost around 1595 units. At the time this video was recorded, this was about accurate. I then asked for 3 forecasts on the likely price of Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. 3,000 units to be bearish. In this case, Shib may see some expansion as a result of ongoing community support and token burning, but the increase may be restrained by market corrections or regulatory obstacles. Though not in the end, token burns are possible. Scale required for a large price increase. Shib's potential for development may be hampered by downturns or stagnation in the larger crypto market. Some upward momentum might still be generated, but not as much as in more positive scenarios, if there are any new collaborations or improved utility. 7,500 units is the base, with regular token burns lowering the supply and maybe certain use cases or integrations into decentralized banking systems or games. This forecast presupposes a modest growth in Shib's value. With a generally favorable attitude toward cryptocurrencies and a steady market, Shib may be able to make some progress. This level would represent a scenario of modest development, in which Shib gains from its community as well as from general market trends, without the need for any unusual triggers. 0.01150 bullish. It is clear that Shib has a bright future ahead of it. Large-scale token burning may drastically cut supply, which might raise prices if demand remains constant or rises. Payment solutions, larger game ecosystems, or even widespread acceptance in certain areas are just a few of the creative new applications for Shib that may surface. In the event of a bull run in the cryptocurrency market overall, Shib may soar to new heights. Additionally, this situation would need a highly active and supportive community, maybe with powerful alliances or endorsements that increase adoption and awareness. These are the possible returns on a $1,000 investment in Shiba Inu made now, based on projections for the end of 2025. Negative: if SHIB reaches 3,000 units, $1,000 would purchase around 62,795,925 SHIB at the present price of 15.95 units. You would end up with $880 in profit. Base: you will earn $3,702 if SHIB reaches 7,500 units. Optimistic: SHIB would benefit $8,404 if it reached the highest optimistic objective. Did you know that Shiba Inu can be traded on Bitfinex using leverage? That means that if you used 10x leverage and Shiba Inu reached the bullish price goal, you would have made almost $84,000 on a $1,000 investment. For reduced fees and bonuses, visit Bitfinex by clicking the link in the description if you want to trade SHIB or any other cryptocurrency on leverage. If you want additional information on how to profit from cryptocurrency trading, you can also join my Telegram group. Now for the last and most crucial query: when will SHIB reach 10 cents? Because cryptocurrencies, especially meme coins like SHIB, are so erratic, it is very speculative to predict when Shiba Inu will hit 10 cents. Standard predictions, however, are based on present patterns and possible future changes. It would be very difficult to achieve $0 and 10 cents if you take into account the market capitalization, supply, and past growth trends without any notable adjustments. A realistic timescale for SHIB to reach $0 and 10 cents in light of these circumstances may be around 2050, assuming a highly optimistic scenario of steady development, broad acceptance, and a rise in the overall value of the cryptocurrency market, along with massive token burning. Should there are substantial token burning that lower the amount of SHIB in circulation, the schedule may possibly speed up. This is one possible appearance: more burns. This might considerably lower the circulating supply if the burn rate rises, say by 50% or more annually. Acceptance and usefulness. Demand may increase if SHIB proves to be a useful payment option on well-known platforms, or if it is integrated into well-known blockchain games or DeFi apps. Conditions of the market. This scenario may also be influenced by a highly optimistic cryptocurrency market, which may be fueled by regulatory certainty or the broad use of cryptocurrencies. SHIB might conceivably reach 10 cents considerably sooner under these circumstances, maybe within the next 10 to 20 years, but this would need a very rare combination of circumstances. A scenario: we may see a quicker growth if there is a significant speculative bubble, the burn rate increases to the point where billions of tokens are removed each month, and SHIB is utilized for real-world transactions. The market value would still need to rise to heights that are now unthinkable in order to make the leap from current prices to 10 cents, even under these perfect conditions. In conclusion, while the conventional forecast is 2050, large-scale token burning and more utility might cause this to happen sooner, although these are quite optimistic and speculative predictions. Keep in mind that these predictions might be far off due to the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. I then requested that it condense this into a single phrase. With large token burning, Shiba Inu might reach 10 cents by 2050, but it could happen sooner. And what would you make if you purchased $1,000 worth of SHIB at this moment and Shiba Inu dropped to 10 cents? You would make around $6.27 million. Are you planning to keep Shiba Inu till 2025? Tell me in the space provided below. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.